My name's Cody, and I'm the host of the Lunch After Dark podcast. And today we're doing something a little bit special, and Final Fantasy VII Remake came in, as you can kind of see on the box. All I did so far is I went through and cut open the tape, haven't opened anything. I'm really excited. Those of you who don't know what the Remake is, Final Fantasy VII came out back in 1997 for the PlayStation, and it's been a cult following phenomenon. It was groundbreaking. And so what they did with the remake 20 years later is they amped up the graphics, they're adding a lot more story, and they came out with what's called the First Class Edition, which I bought because Final Fantasy VII changed my life. It's actually what got me into video games and inspired me to go to college for a degree in video game design. And so by doing that, you get this big hefty box here, this little box. I don't know what's in the little box, pretty sure I know what's in the big one. So without further ado, I think we'll get started. And let's go with the little one first. So let's see what's in here. Wrapping. And this here is the Final Fantasy VII Remake lantern. So you can see, it's just a lantern, they put your keys on. See Cloud, Aerith, Barrett, Tifa, I guess. That's pretty awesome. And this, the thing that we all are dying to have. Final Fantasy VII Remake, Deluxe Edition. Then, there's the front. Just the pop thing, just like the original. And here's the back. Check out that beauty. You got Sephiroth and all the key members of the story, and it just shows you what it comes with down here on the bottom. So we'll open that up. We'll take a look at it here. Let me get this out. Alright, so we got the Deluxe Edition. Alright, let's check it out. It's probably one of the greatest moments of my entire life. So it's pretty solid. Opens here on the side. So, alright, so inside, what we have is the game itself. We have Final Fantasy VII Remake. Cover art on the back is the same. And it comes with a special steel case. Look at that. That is a beauty. Got Sephiroth and Midgar and the Shinra voting in the background all on fire. That is awesome. And of course you got the standard on the back. The emblem there. And here we go. The soundtrack came with the mini soundtrack for the series. On the soundtrack listing, we have the Prelude, Tifa's theme, Shinra's theme, Scorpio Sentinel, On Our Way, the Turks theme, Let the Battles Begin, Flowers Blooming in the Church, Hurry, main theme of Final Fantasy VII, Lay Down Some Rubber, and Stand Up. That's awesome. The music is absolutely great. Then they redid the music for this as well. Next, we have the art book, the digital deluxe art book. So, take a look here. Got some nice cover art right there. It's like the slums. And let's see, we got characters, summons, enemies, environments, and gadgets and tech. Check out that picture. That beaut right there. Okay. So, we got some concept art. Cloud, when he was a kid. Him in his soldier outfit. And Toad Cloud. Whenever he gets to go to Toad and you get to see the little Buster Sword on him. Alright. We got some Tifa concept art here. Oh, there's different outfits here. I'll hold it a little bit closer. It's pretty awesome. I always love seeing, I've always loved seeing the concept art and, just whenever they're drawing the different stages. We got Barrett. And, of course, you got your members of Avalanche here. Aerith's mom, Cloud's mom, Tifa's father, Zangan, they're all here. You know, all the fundamental characters that help build the story and make it so in-depth. Of course, you got Rufus, Scarlet, Sang, Reno here. Donnie Corleone, Johnny's parents, Reeve, Hojo, Palmer, they're all here. This back. Actually, oh, I got a second here. I'm gonna pop this open. There we go. I should have came with a special DLC, which it should just be for summons. Alright, so what do we got inside? We have the data disk. Down inside there. And then the play disc. That's the game. I hear the install for this is just massive. Absolutely massive. Let's see, we got the Cactar summon. And just how to go ahead and redeem them. Switch. Alright, and we have on the inside the book here from Play Arts, more statues. And get other things like the Kingdom Hearts there. Get a better look at those. Those things are pretty awesome looking. And then you just got your typical, stuff. Alright, so we're gonna put this inside here just because this is too cool of a case to not have it in. Put that right there. Play disc. Bam. Now, I think it's time for what a lot of people want to see. Bring back this massive box. Oh, bam. There it is. So we opened it up. Here. Packaging. See that? Play Arts. Yeah. Alright. Of course there's gonna be tape on this too. Alright. That should do it. Put it up to the side. Alright. Ready? Here we go. Cloud Strife and Hardy Daytona. Okay, let's open them up. Wow. This thing is massive. Here, closer look at that bike. Look at that detail. Absolutely amazing. I'll show you the back too. Wow. And see what else do we got here. Cloud Strife. There's Cloud. I'll show you that first. Good old Cloud there. The clothes actually feel more like a fabric. It's pretty impressive. And his legs are bendable. Arms bend, elbows. It comes with, you got all these different hands. You can put Cloud in. We're gonna have to swap them out just so we can hold the iconic Buster Sword. Look at that. That's amazing. And then you got your other miscellaneous things just for a stand. Prop them up. And then you got your other pieces of the stand there. So, just because we can, I'm gonna put Cloud, Spike, fix his hands. Come on, you'll be able to bend more than that. There we go. Of course, Buster Sword, which, you know, that's just the attachment for him. We put in his hands. But, in the end, that's it. That is the Final Fantasy VII Remake First Class Edition. Pretty awesome, huh? Like I said, my name's Cody, and I'm the host of the Launch After Dark podcast. And if you ever want to give it a shot, we're on everything. We're on iTunes, Google Play, Stitcher, you know, anywhere you listen to podcasts. And if you want to know what the show's about, it's just a couple friends, and we talk about everything. It's about everything, and also kind of about nothing. But thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Alright, take care.